Text. Microsoft Disability Answer Desk provides ASL support. Kassie and Matt signing.
My name is Kassie. Being in a hearing class can be tough, but I think it is the accommodations that help me to be efficient. It is important for me to work with the interpreting service to make sure my interpreting needs for my classes are fulfilled. Having an interpreter in my class allows me to be able to communicate with the teacher and classmates. This way I'd know what's going on in the class. It is what helps me to be successful in the class.
My name is Matthew. I was born deaf-blind, and I went to a mainstream school. I need to make sure to communicate with the school staff about my needs for specific accommodations. For example, the interpreter need to be certified for the deaf-blind, so that way they'd know how to accommodate my low vision issues. I need to make sure the interpreter is situated with adequate lighting, and I need to tell my teacher about my need for visual accommodations to make sure the writing on the board or PowerPoint and Word document have the right contrast for me to be able to see. For example, the text needs to be in black on white and clear enough for me to read. Once they understand my needs, it is easier for them to accommodate my needs and make sure I'm able to access the information. It allows me to be able to follow the class and help reduce my frustration.
Support representative and Kassie signing.
How can I help you?
I am working on a research paper, and he has a low vision. I would like to know how to make my document accessible for him.
Support representative signing.
Go to Review tab at the top.
Kassie following instructions and navigates through the steps in Microsoft Word. Review, check accessibility. Accessibility checker shows a list of recommended actions. Font color correction. Kassie makes corrections. Accessibility checker now shows no accessibility issues. Kassie and Matt look to each other and smile in approval. Matt signing.
ASL is the key. It was nice to be able to see the body, signing, and facial expression. It has helped me understand clearly, and they explained the steps and showed me where to click. I was able to follow the steps using my computer to set it up. It was easy and cool. ASL is the key for me.
Kassie gives a presentation.
Today, we will talk about history of design starting back in the early days like the picture shown here.
Kassie signing.
The support team was really helpful, step by step. They walked me through the process and showed me where to click. As I clicked, they explained why, how, and tips. They explained the steps in detail. I've learned a lot from them. Very helpful.
Support representative signing.
Thank you for calling Disability Answer Desk. Please contact us anytime to learn more about accessibility features in Microsoft Windows and Office.
Matt nods in approval in the class. Kassie signing.
From early days in 1860.
Kassie looks at Matt, smiles, and nods. Text. Disability Answer Desk is ASL friendly. Contact us directly via video phone 503-427-1234. Microsoft logo.